It's on me. In a general meeting.
Before we formally end our general meeting, I'd like to announce a promotion in the management. Mali passed her training as a manager last Thursday. Congratulations!
Would you like to deliver a speech, Marie?
As to what I've said to the management team upon receiving the news, thank you for giving me this opportunity to lead the department. I'll do my best to help this company prosper more.
Thank you. Any messages or inspiring words for Marie? Good luck, Marie.
You deserve it. And we deserve to share your success, right? How about the dinner or singing spree after a party on Saturday?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Isn't it a practice that whoever gets a promotion should treat her colleagues?
All right, it's on me.
Yippee!